Meaning is the key here. What do you think is this term beginning referring to? Beginning is referring to some sort of a period. So a period beginning in 610 CE is the meaning. In answer choice A, its beginning, its is referring to Islam, which is not the intended meaning. The meaning is that in a period of a few hundred years, beginning in 610 CE, Islam spread. So this beginning bit is referring to the period beginning in such and such point in time. So A can go. Answer choice B, beginning in 610 CE for a period of a few hundred years, comma Islam. So once again, beginning is referring to Islam here, which isn't the intended meaning. B can also go. Answer choice C, beginning a period of almost a few hundred years in 610 CE, comma Islam. So you see you have a comma here and you have a comma here. So this bit becomes extra information between two commas and the sentence becomes beginning a period of almost a few hundred years Islam. So it's sounding as if Islam began a period of almost a few hundred years, which doesn't make sense. So C can also go. It's all about meaning here. If you did not get the meaning right, it is likely that you will be confused here. Look at choice D. Over a period of a few hundred years beginning in 610 CE. So a period beginning in 610 CE. That is the meaning we have been looking for, that the term beginning should come for period. This is awesome. Look at choice E. Answer choice E, while it corrects the problem of beginning referring to a certain period of time, a few hundred years, it leads to another problem of using during a few hundred years. Now, a period is a noun correctly referring to a few hundred years here, but come to think of it, it changes the meaning. It gives a feeling that during a few hundred years is a period that begins in 610 CE. So it's not about any few hundred years of duration beginning in 610 CE. It's about this specific period during a period of a few hundred years beginning in 610 CE. And secondly, over a period of this entire thing happened is a better way of saying it rather than the during bit. But the bigger reason here is this difference between during a few hundred years referring to a period. This is about a specific period over a period of a few hundred years, and this period starting in 610 CE. That is the intended meaning. Very subtle difference between D and E. E has to go. D is a better choice. Let's confirm answer choice D once, end to end. Over a period of few hundred years. So period beginning in 610 CE. So this specific period beginning in 610 CE. Islam spread from its place of origin in the Arabian Peninsula to Spain in the west and northern India in the east. And all of this happened over is a key term here, over a specific period of a few hundred years, and this period began in 610 CE. It's all about meaning. D is the best answer choice here.